let us consider the nomenclature of amines. Now first see the IUPAC and common names of the primary amines. Now I write here the primary amine which have the double bond in the carbon chain. Now as this is the allyl group, we know that this is allyl group, CH2 double bond CH. So commonly this amine is called as the allylamine. And if we number from the double bond, but though there is double bond in the chain, number the carbon atoms from the NH2 group to which the carbon have closest NH2 group. So number in the carbon chain from this carbon as 1, 2, 3 and not as 1, 2, 3, though there is the double bond. But this NH2 group is the functional group. So number always from that carbon to which NH2 group is nearer, though there is the double bond. In alkene we number the carbon from the nearer to the double bond. But here always number from that carbon where NH2 group is closer. So this is numbered in this way. Now on second carbon there is double bond and on first carbon there is NH2 group and in the chain there are 3 carbon atoms. So what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is the pro2-en because the double bond is on the second carbon. So this En is for the double bond. And one amine because the NH2 group is on the first carbon atom. If the carbon chain is longer, then you can write the name of the parent alkane and then the number, write down the number of the carbon where the double bond is and then write down the word amine by giving the number to which NH2 group is attached. So remember that. Now this is the aniline. We know commonly aniline or it is also called as the phenylamine or aniline, but aniline is the more commercial name. So IUPAC name system also give permission to write the name aniline for this phenylamine. But actually it is the benzene amine. Only replace the E of the benzene by the word amine. Now see what is the spelling of benzene? B-N-Z-E-N-E. E is replaced by the word amine. So it is also called as the benzene amine or it is called as the aniline. IUPAC name system give the permission to write the name aniline in the IUPAC name system for this compound, that is the phenylamine, or it is also called as the benzanamine. Now next, here is the 2 NH2 groups are there. So it is the diamine, but here there are the chain of 6 carbon atoms. Around the first carbon and last 6 carbon there is the NH2 group. So it is hexane 1,6 diamine. If we write the name of the primary amine containing only one NH2 group, we replace this E by the word amine. But if there are the both NH2 group, 2 NH2 group are present, then write down the complete name of the parent alkane as the hexane. Do not eliminate this E. And then write down only the numbers of the carbon atom to which the NH2 groups are attached. Now here the NH2 group is attached to the first carbon as well as to the last carbon. So it is the 1,6 diamine, hexane 1,6 diamine. But commonly it is called as the, now this is the hexamethylene group. This is the hexamethylene group. So the common name is hexamethylene diamine, as this is ethylene group. CH2, CH2. Now we call this only the ethylene group. If there is only CH2, we call the methylene group. But here 6 CH2 are joined to each other, so it is the hexamethylene diamine. This is also very important compound for the manufacture of the nylon 66 in the polymer chemistry. We have to write the name of this hexamethylene diamine as a that is reagent for the nylon 66. So this is very important compound. Now next is the this is para-toluene. This is the common name because to this methyl group at exactly para position there is the NH2 group. See here, this is the para position. If methyl group will be here, then NH2 group must will be here for the para-toluene. Now this is para-toluene because methyl group and NH2 group are para position to each other. But if we number by taking the number 1 carbon to which the NH2 group is attached, then see here by clockwise manner or by anti-clockwise manner we can give the numbering because this methyl group is from clockwise side or from anti-clockwise side, it is at the 4th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th position there is the methyl. So 4 methyl, and you know that this is the, if methyl is not there, this is aniline. So it is 4-methyl aniline, or we can also call this as 4-methyl what? Benzene amine. 4-methyl benzene amine. This is also the name of this compound. Now this is that is the not the saturated ring. This is not the unsaturated ring as that of the benzene ring. This is saturated ring. That means this is cyclohexane, and to which the NH2 group is attached. So the common name is the cyclohexyl amine. This is the common name. But we know that if there is the NH2 group present on the alkyl group, we write down the parent name and only replacing E by the amine. So it is the cyclohexanamine. Only replace this E of the cyclohexane by the word amine. Now next one is, now this is the phenyl ring attached to this CH2 group. If there is the CH3, then if here is the CH3, then it is the methanamine. But what hydrogen is replaced by the benzene ring? So it is phenyl methanamine. Remember that the IUPAC name is phenyl methanamine. Why? Because one of the hydrogen atom of the methyl group is replaced by the phenyl ring. So it is phenyl methanamine. But commonly it is called as the benzyl amine because this is the benzyl group. So commonly it is called as benzyl amine, but IUPAC name is very important. On methanamine there is the phenyl group, so it is called as the phenyl methanamine. Suppose in this way there will be the compound CH2 again, and there is again NH2 is there. Then what we will call that? Give the numbering here 1, 2. Now this is the 2-phenylethanamine. Remember that the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-phenylethanamine. If there is again CH2 group is there and to that phenyl group is attached, or if there is such. Okay, join karungi आपण. Now see here, this is very important to give the name of such aniline. Now number the carbon atoms from the carbon to which NH2 group is there. 1, 2, 3 in this way is there. Now the name, IUPAC name of this compound is the 2-phenyl propanamine. The name of this compound. This will be asked into the examination. Such compounds may be asked. Now this is very simple. As the NH2 group and bromine group are at the para position to each other, so it is the para-bromoaniline. As that of the para-toluene, it is the para-bromoaniline. But by giving the number from the NH2 group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now at 4th position there is the bromo group. So it is the 4-bromo-benzanamine. It is the name, or it is also called as the 4-bromoaniline. The another name 4-bromoaniline or 4-bromobenzanamine. Both are the correct IUPAC name, but commonly it is called as the para-bromoaniline. Remember that. Now consider the nomenclature of the secondary amines now. Now I tell you in the last chapter, that is for the giving the IUPAC name of this secondary amine, only just write down the small alkyl group and then consider the large alkyl group as the parent alkane, and by replacing E only write down the amine word. So I tell you the name of this compound is the methyl methanamine, but here N is written before the methyl methan because to that nitrogen that alkyl group is attached. So it is the N-methyl methanamine, not only the methyl methanamine. Remember that. It is N-methyl methanamine. Write down the N, that is the letter. How many times we have to write the N letters? If there are the 3 different alkyl groups, such as in the tertiary amines there are the 3 different alkyl groups, then we have to write 2 times the N letter. Remember that. See, this is the tertiary amine. Now how it have given the IUPAC name? Now all the alkyl groups are similar, so we can make this methyl group as the parent alkane. So here 2 methyl groups are there and this is suppose the parent alkane. So the name of this compound is NN, as both of the groups are same, this methyl. So here I write the NN, dimethyl methanamine. But if there are all the 3 alkyl groups are different as that of this last compound. See here, one is the methyl group, second one is the ethyl, and third one is the normal propyl group. Now this is the parent alkane, but these 2 are the different alkyl groups. Then give the name by writing the N letter separately. Now see here the N-ethyl, because alphabetically ethyl is the E is the first word, then the M. So here they give the name as N-ethyl, N-methyl, not N-ethyl methyl. That is not correct. N-ethyl and then N-methyl and propan-1-amine. Why it is propan-1-amine? Because this is the chain of the carbon atoms having more than 2 carbons. So always number to the chains of the carbon atoms if there are more than 2 carbon atoms. If 2 carbon atoms are there, numbering is not required. Now this is the N-ethyl, N-methyl, propan-1-amine. If here is the isopropyl group, suppose this N is attached to this second carbon atom, then the name of such compound is N-ethyl, N-methyl, propan-2-amine. That name, because on the second carbon this nitrogen get attached here. Now for writing the name, IUPAC name for the secondary amines, the N letter is written only 1 time, but for writing the name of the IUPAC name of the tertiary amines, the N letter must write 2 times. That is the very important. Now this is the very simple secondary amine, ethyl, methyl amine, but IUPAC name is given as N-methyl ethanamine because this is the larger alkyl group. Now see this is also, that is the methyl phenylamine. And in IUPAC name system, the name is given as, now this is the main, that is the aniline, and by replacing one of the hydrogen of the aniline, the methyl group is attached, so it is the N-methyl aniline, IUPAC name, or N-methyl benzanamine, because this is the benzanamine or aniline, and to that the methyl group is attached, so it is the N-methyl benzanamine or N-methyl aniline. Now see the name of this second tertiary amines. Now here 2 groups are similar, one is different, but this is the larger alkyl group. So this is the parent alkane ethane, so it is the ethylamine, but there are the 2 methyl group attaches to the nitrogen, so this is the N-dimethyl ethanamine. In this way the names are given. Now let us see again the two different compounds of the tertiary amines, how they have given the names of that tertiary amines. See that two compounds are remaining here, that are the tertiary amines. Then how the names are given for that. Now next one is the N,N-dimethyl-aniline, and how the structure is there for the N,N-dimethyl-aniline. There is only the engineering. In this way the compound tertiary amine is given, and the name of this is the dimethyl-aniline. This is the what common name, but the IUPAC name are given in this way: N,N-dimethyl-aniline or N,N-dimethyl-benzanamine. N,N-dimethyl-benzanamine. Now in a book they give the NN word also in the common name, but that are in commonly it is only called as the dimethyl-aniline. That may be the printing mistake, because N word is only written N later for the IUPAC name system. So it is the N,N-dimethyl-benzanamine or N,N-dimethyl-aniline is also correct name, because aniline we have to write the name aniline in the IUPAC name system. They give the permission to write the name aniline for the benzanamine. And the last one that given, I tell you, that is isopropyl group is there to this N. Suppose in this way CH3. Suppose such compounds is there. Now see, I draw the structure in this way. This CH in a book, this CH is writing here and CH3 is here. That is also correct. But for numbering, I draw such. Now number this longest chain as 1, 2, 3. And this is the N2-propanamide. And this is the methyl, N-methyl, and actually it is the aniline. So what is the name, IUPAC name for this compound? N-methyl, N-phenyl, and it is the, what is that? Pro-2-amine. In this way we can give the name. But benzanamine, they make the parent alkane as the benzanamine, and only they give the name as N-ethyl, N-methyl, prop-2-amine. Benzene ring is not there in this compound. Here is the ethyl group. Yes. CH2. In this. Now this is the N-methyl, N-ethyl. N-ethyl, propan-2-amine. Why it is propan-2-amine? Because on the second carbon, this nitrogen is attached. So it is the propan-2-amine. So N-ethyl, N-methyl, propanamine, because E word come first after M. So the correct name is N-ethyl, N-methyl, propan-2-amine. And what is the common name? Ethyl, methyl, what? Isopropyl amine. Now this is the common name because this is the isopropyl group. So ethyl, methyl, isopropyl amine, or in the IUPAC name system, it is called as the N-ethyl, N-methyl, propan-2-amine.